In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Deel for HR compliance so you can streamline your HR processes with confidence. Whether you're managing employees in different countries or need help with paperwork, Deel makes everything easier, and I'll walk you through how it can help you maintain compliance while saving time. First, let's talk about Deel's platform itself. Deel is a tool designed for global teams, allowing you to hire employees and contractors anywhere in the world while staying compliant with local laws. The best part? You can automate many HR processes, ensuring that everything stays legally sound, even as you expand internationally. To get started with Deel, you'll first need to create an account. Once you're logged in, you can start by setting up your company profile. Deel walks you through this step by step. You'll input your business details, such as your company's name, location, and preferred payment methods. Deel integrates with major payroll systems, making this process seamless for businesses of all sizes. Now you're set up to onboard new employees in just a few clicks. When you're ready to hire, Deel allows you to send contracts automatically with legal documents that are customized for specific countries. Deel's legal team has already taken care of compliance in different jurisdictions, ensuring that your contracts adhere to local labor laws. Whether it's an employee or a contractor, Deel gives you the flexibility to choose the right contract type based on your needs. As for HR compliance, Deel handles all the tax and legal requirements in the background. You can easily track and manage your employees' work hours, paid time off, and benefits, all from the Deel dashboard. They also provide country-specific tax guides, which can help you stay on top of any changes in labor laws or regulations without needing a legal team to figure it out. You can also make use of Deel's built-in tools for paying your employees, contractors, and freelancers. Deel processes payments in over 120 currencies and offers options like direct deposit or international wire transfers. The platform automatically generates payslips and keeps track of payment schedules, making your payroll process both simple and compliant. If you're worried about compliance for multiple countries, Deel has you covered. They offer country-specific packages that automatically adjust to the rules and taxes of each location. This means that you don't have to worry about violating labor laws when hiring internationally. Deel ensures that your company is always compliant. Now, here's the good part. You can use Deel for completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the link in the description below. Deel's free trial allows you to experience the platform's features before committing, and you'll also get some extra benefits when you sign up through our link. But don't go just yet. If you stick around till the end, I'll show you how to make the most of Deel's extended features, including adding your team, automating benefits, and managing employee performance, all without the usual HR headaches. So, to recap, Deel's platform is an invaluable tool for staying compliant with HR laws, no matter where your employees are. It's a one-stop solution for hiring, payroll, and contract management, with a focus on simplifying compliance for businesses with global teams. Don't forget to check the link below for your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. And now that you know how Deel helps you stay compliant, why not take it for a spin and see how much time and stress it can save you?